What happens when your main router fails? With HSRP, VRRP, and GLBP, your network can stay online. But which one is best for your setup? In this video, I'll break down the key differences, show you how each protocol handles failover, and reveal which one can even load balance your traffic. Want bulletproof redundancy? Watch now! In the previous course, we saw the configuration of the HSRP protocol, which allows you to do gateway redundancy by default. For this purpose, we use what is called a cluster, i.e., a logical group of similar equipment, such as routers. So, when one member of the cluster goes down, another member takes over. This allows for a very quick resumption of service. There are 3 different protocols that allow this redundancy to be done: HSRP, VRRP, and GLBP. We have seen previously that to configure our HSRP virtual gateway, we need to use the standby IP command. For the VRRP protocol, the configuration is very similar. The command is VRRP IP, and for GLBP, the command is GLBP IP. Here is a table that groups the differences between the 3 redundancy protocols. Each protocol uses 2 counters to indicate the health status of clusters or routers, as in our example. There are the hello timer counter and the meter hold timer. The hello timer is a packet that the cluster's main router will send to the other members on a regular basis to prove that it is alive. And the hold timer is a counter that allows the router to be sure that one of its members has failed. It is at the end of this counter that one of the secondary routers will take over. For example, if our primary router is router 1, it will send hello packets every 3 seconds. And if router 2 stops receiving its packets for 10 seconds, then it will take over. Protocol priority is a value that can be set between 0 and 255 to indicate which router will be master. The router with the highest priority will be elected the master, and in the event of a tie, the selection will be made by the IP address between the members of the same cluster. The highest IP address will win the election. By default, the priority value is 100. It is configured with the priority command. The preemption option allows the original master to resume service from its replacement, should it ever cease to fail. This setting is usually disabled by default on the various protocols. You can see that the configuration of the different redundancy protocols looks very similar. The VRRP protocol uses smaller timers by default, making it faster than HSRP and GLBP. Except that, of course, it will consume more CPU on the cluster. The GLBP protocol is also proprietary to Cisco. It was created in order to compensate for the shortcomings of HSRP. That is to say, it really does load balancing, based on a weight system per limb. It has 3 different types of load distribution: